Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. You can learn how to draw the Viking hat Among Us skin by watching our step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started. To draw the Among Us character with a Viking helmet, we draw the normal crewmate outline, but don't touch the top just yet. They are a little potato shaped with two stumps for legs. The character is looking to the right of the page, so the backpack is on the left side. The goggles are an oval shape which juts out slightly from the body. For the lining at the bottom of the Viking helmet, we draw a slightly curved line. We draw one horn so we can get the position right, and then draw the rest of the helmet shape, which is not quite pointed, but a little rounded at the top. We draw the other horn and the details of the helmet. Now we can colour in. Choose your colour, but make sure it is different to the helmet. Using a pencil, we shade some texture on the character and give some shadow on the goggles and horns. For the helmet, use a brown or reddish brown to finish it off. This is our finished drawing of our Among Us Viking helmet skin. If you want to know how to draw any other of your favourite video game characters, please leave your suggestion below and we'll see you next time.